Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, as you guys can already tell by the title, we are going to be talking about skincare. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come and join the family. If you guys are already one of my angels, you guys know I love you so much. So I'm coming on camera now looking like crusty and in my normal form. But today the mask we are going to be trying is this BIOVENE Barcelona, and it's a charcoal and magnet mask. This is what it looks like, guys. So this mask is supposed to recharge, purify, and revitalize your skin. And it is 90% all natural. It comes with vitamin E, iron, and lavender oil. And with this mask, guys, you apply the mask in a thin layer. You leave it on for 10 minutes. Then you want to take the magnet that they have in the little magnet covers, cover up the magnet, and you want to slowly drag it across your face, and it should pick up all of the impurities that's in your pores, all of the toxins and the oils and the grease. So right now I'm a little oily. I know for me, I get oily in my T-zone area. You guys can see the oils. So we'll see by the end of this video if I'm like more matte and cleansed and purified. But this mask is supposed to help your skin just like really glow and just really come to form. And we all know that skincare is very important if you do makeup. Skincare is important in general, but definitely if you apply makeup to your face, you want to make sure you have a really good skincare routine. So with this mask, it actually came with this really cute travel size bag, which I thought was very cool because most companies don't do all that. And it came with this little pouch. It also came with some different masks here. They also threw in here like a little pouch too. So this company is the bomb. And this is what the inside of the bag looks like. So as you can see, it's like a lot of contraptions and stuff like that. And this mask was actually inside the bag, fit nice and snug. And it has this adjustable strap here. So it's very cute, and you can carry your skincare items on the go, which I love so much. So now what we are going to do is open up the mask, and I'm going to show you guys everything that it comes with. It comes with a jar, a spatula, a magnet, and magnet covers. And I want to show you guys everything that's in the box before we dive over into the demo, because I'm actually going to demo the mask for you guys. And then we will come back and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. We will moisturize my face, and that's that. So as I take it out the box, it comes like this. So we have the mask here, the magnet here, and we have the spatula. Also, what we have here is a bag of magnet covers. So when you open this up, you are going to find a thing of strips. And these are the magnet covers that you want to use, guys. So let's dive right over into the demo. I'm so excited to give this mask a try. And please make sure you thumbs up this video and stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, let's go. the demo is done, and as you can see, my skin is nice and soft. It is refreshed. I actually use this little oil to moisturize my skin. I don't know if you guys want a close up, but let's just zoom in so you guys can see my skin. Like, very, very soft and moisturizing. I really like it. So I really like the mask a lot. I'm giving it a thumbs up. I like when you apply it. It's like a very smooth application. The smell is like a nice fresh smell to it. And when it dries on your face, it's still very smooth and soft. It doesn't dry like most charcoal masks and get really hard and tight. It's not like that. It's still really soft on your face. That's one thing I love about it, is that my skin feels so smooth. Like, when I use the magnet, I could definitely feel it pulling out of my skin. And I don't know if it was psychological, but you can definitely feel the magnet in the pull. So, it's definitely doing something. And other than that, the spatula, I love the spatula. It made it really easy and perfect for application. The magnet was great. The magnet covers was awesome. Everything was really easy to use, so I'm giving it a thumbs up. You guys comment down below and let me know if my skin looks refreshing and if this is something that you guys would like to give a try. All of the links will be down below in the description bar. As you guys know, check out for coupon codes and all kinds of things. Just look down below in the description bar if you guys are interested in purchasing this mask. And other than that, I need to dial myself up, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Maybe I'll do a chit chat. I don't know. Anyway, I love you guys so much. If you got this far in this video, I really appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.